friends, happy day to you. Hey, I'm out here in Chandler at the Fat Rooster restaurant. Guys, it's worth the drive. You got to come out here and check this out. Let me turn this camera around and show you what you got. They're located on Highway 18, just south of Chandler. If you see this sign right here, you know right across the street. Look at this, guys. They're open daily until 2, but they are closed on Sunday and Monday. They do have a menu, but it's pretty much they have a breakfast bar, they have a lunch bar. like I said, they're only open till 2 p.m. And they pretty much change the menu up every day. They change the buffet up every day. I think it's Thursdays are Indian taco days. So guys, I tried everything. I didn't taste anything that didn't taste any good. So it is well worth the drive. Come on out. Oh my gosh, friends, check this out. Try this over. If you take this.